Hello friends, Microchip, which is one of the largest manufacturer of microcontrollers, is hiring freshers for the role of UI developer. Now let's go ahead and check out the details. So this is the link. I've already shared it below the video. Now this is an off-campus drive and the location would be Bangalore. So this is something that you have to remember. So this is a software development, pure software development role, which is very good for all of you, right? And the technologies that we are asking for is also quite simple. I think most of you would have studied in your engineering. So the salary would be quite good because this is a huge company, right? This is a 535 crore revenue company and based out of USA. So it's a decent company. And what they are looking for is JavaScript, jQuery, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, right? So JavaScript, jQuery, mostly UI technologies, right? So this is quite easy for you to crack if you have developed some websites, right? So experience is 0 to 2 years. 19, 20, 21 batches are eligible, right? BTech, computer science and IT, some other branches are also eligible if you have worked on these technologies. So try to apply for that as early as possible. So bachelor's degree, hands-on experience with website development, which means that you should have good projects in your resume. Only then they will consider you. Hands-on experience with HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery and JSON-LT. Now, this is something that is, these technologies are very common. If you have actually worked on web development, you will know all of these, right? So I don't think that this is a very difficult thing to learn. Website development is quite easy, and this is generally the first step that is being taught in your college also. The first practical thing that you get to learn. Right. So solid understanding of tracking code technology, outstanding analytical skills, ability to create and deliver presentations to convey analysis. This is, it's okay if you don't have it right now because this is something that you eventually will develop. Excellent verbal and written communication skills. This is fine. Additional knowledge in SQL with any backend technology, PHP, Java, .NET. Now, again, since this is a web development kind of an opportunity, so it is generally preferable when you have some knowledge of backend technologies, be it Python, be it Java, be it PHP. Along with that, you should have some knowledge of database management systems, DBMS, which is preferably MySQL, Postgres, or any of these that you would have used. So query is something that they might ask you during the interview just to judge whether you are, you're good, you have good knowledge in SQL or not. Otherwise, most of their questions would be on HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery. Ability to come up with solutions to problems would be advantageous. This is again a reasoning kind of a expectation. Knowledge of web analytics tools like Google Analytics is an added advantage. It will take you 1 hour to learn Google Analytics. It's one of the simplest things that you can find on internet. So just go ahead and find any of the good videos on YouTube and try to learn Google Analytics. Half an hour to 1 hour of job. That's it. So let's go ahead and click on apply now. This is the official link that we have here, right? This is for Karnataka, right? Bangalore most probably, right? And then these are the details that we have already seen earlier. Click on apply now and just proceed. Okay. Now about Microchip, you can, I just searched on Google and we found that, okay, this is a 525 CR company and it was established in 1989 in Arizona, United States. Number of employees is also quite good, 18,286. This is a good size company. This is based out of US, so the culture would also be relatively good, where work-life balance would be given. So go ahead and apply for it as soon as possible, and download the Amigos application where we every day upload these off-campus opportunities. And this was posted on the platform quite a few hours ago, and then I'm creating a video a few hours later, right? So you can save that time and apply for these as soon as it gets added on our platform. This is really helpful because in these kind of opportunities, a lot of students apply across the India, right? And those who apply early will be obviously given a lot of weightage because when the recruiters have to go through the resumes and the applications, they generally prefer people who have applied earlier, and they try to see that, okay, these are some of the good resumes that they have received, right? So try to apply for these opportunities as early as possible. So I think this is fine. See you in the next video, and I have also created a Telegram group and the link is provided in the description here. So go ahead and try to join that also. We'll try to be a little fast there, and we update all these details there itself. So thanks a lot, and see you in the next video. Thank you.